इस वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी 9th क्लास एक्सरसाइज 4.2 करेंगे। इसमें से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका, हमें बिगनिंग में टॉपिक किए थे मेक अ लीनियर इक्वेशन, वो हमें फर्स्ट वीडियो में किया फर्स्ट टॉपिक। अब आपका सेकंड टॉपिक था सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन। हम इस एक्सरसाइज में सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन करेंगे। और which one of the following option is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, two solution or infinitely many solution. Now how we can find the solution of this equation? If you have different value of x, then you can find out different value of y. तो solution देखेंगे आप इस क्वेश्चन का। y equal to 3x plus 5. Now at x equal to 0, अगर आप x को 0 लेते हैं तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी आपके पास? 3 into 0 plus 5, that is 0 plus 5 equal to 5. अगर आप पुट x को 1 पुट कर देते हैं तो वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 3 into 1 plus 5. 3 plus 5 that is equal to 8. और निकालिए, पुट x equal to 2, y equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, 6 plus 5 that is equal to 11. Means for different value of x you can find out different value of y. So given equation has infinitely many solution. Unique solution mean only one solution. Two solution, as you know that equation has only two solution. Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution mean a equation have infinite solution. In this condition, if you have different value of x, you will get different value of y. Or if you put value of y, you get different value of x. So given equation has infinitely many solutions. Which one of the following option is true and why? Option third is right. Okay, exercise 4.2 question second. Write the four solution of each of the following equations. Now first of all consider first equation. Solution x plus 2y equal to 7. 2x plus y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 minus 2x. Here you have to find the four solution of each of the following linear equation. आप x को अगर 0 पुट करते हो, at x equal to 0, y is 7 minus 2 into 0. 7 minus 0 that is equal to 7. If you put x equal to 1, x को 1 पुट कीजिए, then y is 7 minus 2 into 1, 7 minus 2 that is 5. Next solution, at x equal to 2, y is 7 minus 2 into 2, 7 minus 4 that is 3. Next solution, at x equal to 3, y is 7, 2 into 3 that is 7 minus 6 or 1. तो we have find the four solution. हमने इस इक्वेशन के 4 सॉल्यूशन निकाल दिए हैं। एक x पे 0, x को 0 पुट किया तो आपके पास y की वैल्यू 2 into 0 that is 0, 7 minus 0 equal to 7. एक हमें पुट किया x को 1 पुट करने के बाद आपकी y की वैल्यू आती है 7 minus 2 into 1, 7 minus 2 that is 5. x को हमें 2 पुट किया 7 minus 2 into 2 that is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. और फोर्थ सॉल्यूशन x equal to 3, 7 minus 2 into 3, 7 minus 6 that is 1. Yes. Second question. ये आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट था, दिस वन इज सेकंड पार्ट। पाई एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 9। नाइन्थ क्लास एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन थर्ड। चेक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन दिस एंड विच आर नॉट। आपके पास पॉइंट गिवन है, पॉइंट से आपको चेक करना है कि ये पॉइंट इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं या नहीं सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। अब पहले थर्ड क्वेश्चन करते हैं। सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन थर्ड। नाउ गिवन इक्वेशन is x minus 2y equal to 4. Now check at the first point. First point is 0 or 2. Now LHS, that is equal to x minus 2y. Put x equal to 0 or y equal to 2. 0, 2 into 2. 0 minus 4, that is equal to minus 4, or minus 4 not equal to 4. 4 is your RHS. So minus 4 not equal to 4 mean LHS not equal to RHS. Not equal to RHS. Therefore 0 or 2 is not solution of given equation. Yes, one more question. We will do the fourth part. Point is root 2 or 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Now LHS, that is x minus 2y. Put x equal to root 2 or y is 4 root 2. X equal to 2 or y is 4 root 2. X, that is root 2. 2 into 4 root 2. That is root 2 or 8 root 2. When you subtract, that is 7 root 2. यहाँ root 2 के साथ मल्टीपल है 1. 8 minus 1. 1 प्लस का है, minus 8 नेगेटिव है, तो 8 में से आप 1 लेस करोगे तो minus 7 root 2, that not equal to 4. Where LHS not equal to RHS. Root 2 for root 2 is not solution. Now you can do third part. LHS, that is equal to x 2y. Now put x equal to 4 or y is 0. Then 4 2 into 0, that is 4 equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore 4, 0 is solution. Second or fifth part you will try yourself. Now fourth question. Question 4. Find value of k if x2 and y1 is solution of this. given equation is 2x 3y equal to k. Now value of x and y is given and you have to find value of k. So put x equal to 2 or y equal to 1. Then 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 2 into 2 or 3 into 1, that is equal to k. 4, 3 into 1, that is 3, that is equal to k. So 7 equal to k. So value of k is 7. Value of k is 7. Yes, we will do one more question like this. Extra question. Find value of k if x equal to 2k plus 1, y equal to 3 is a solution of the equation 3x 4y equal to k. Now solution. Given equation is 3x 4y equal to k. Now put x equal to 2k plus 1 or y equal to 3. 3 into 2k plus 1, 4 into 3 equal to k. Now multiply by 3, that is 6k plus 3, 12 equal to k. 6k, k को ट्रांसपोज कीजिए, माइनस k, दिस वन इज 12, माइनस 12 राइट साइड में लेके जाओगे प्लस 12 हो जाएगा और 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3, 5k that is equal to 9 or k that is equal to 9 by 5 is your answer. Many more questions like this you can solve, and that is also very important question. This one is also important.